And it's day 2 of being in Kuala Lumpur. And we're here in the middle of the city. And let's see what happens today. I can imagine these people work 7 days a week at these stalls, never really leaving them. And just working non-stop at the stalls, serving food for the people. So this is where I had my breakfast, Gravy Babies, and it's a good place for breakfast. You need a good breakfast, and it's not a bad little place actually, but I will have to wait 10 minutes for the coffee as they're just starting up. We're in the centre of Kuala Lumpur in the shopping area, and just a very quick look at everyone busy in the morning around 9:30 a.m. This is where I'm coming for a quick Carlsberg. I just love Carlsberg beer. Chinatown there, market, really nice, really exotic. When I zoom in, you'll see that a whole heap of stalls there. And well, it's just been a lot of fun. I bought a pair of sunglasses. Just come out of Chinatown. And now we're in this area. Reveal. I'm in this area here. Very quaint end of Chinatown. Moving along that direction. Temple, Buddhist temple, and it does have some nice Chinese music on. And I'm just going to float through here. The tail on that monkey. Here we are in the forest, in the botanical forest, and it has been really pleasant. It's in the middle of Kuala Lumpur, but there's monkeys. It really does feel, for all intents and purposes, like the jungle. It's actually a lot darker than this, but it's beautiful tropical rain. So here I am in the middle of this rainforest, and it's certainly raining. I'm in a shelter. I'll pull out a bit wider. So I am getting shelter at the moment. I found something, luckily. There is an absolute tropical downpour in this forest, and everywhere. The way I got to try and get out of here later, down there. It's about 40 minutes later. It's still raining cats and dogs. I'm worried that the entrances have closed up here. I tried to ring for help, but that went unheard of. So I don't think I'll hold this much longer with all the lightning around. It looks like it's brightening up a bit. I'm giving it 15 minutes, otherwise I'm going to have to make a run for it. Because it is going to get dark. Valeska's going to be waiting for me. And I just hope this phone keeps working if it gets absolutely soaked. But in 15 minutes, I'm making a run for it.
Coming here?
Yes, it's. I have had a day in Kuala Lumpur, and I also came here in 1984.
1984. Oh.
A long time ago. I had a friend who was from Penang, and he was in the same university. He was studying to be a doctor from Penang. Yeah, his name was Chan. I'm trying to remember now.
So
it was because it's so long ago.
you want too much miss the pinning.
Traffic jam here, as you can see in the video, and I'm on the way to pick up Valeska, who's patiently waiting at the station. But unfortunately, we've got at least another quarter of an hour, 15 minutes to go. So Valeska's here.
Hey, finally!
Just after that nightmare. Let's try and get in. So we're here in this tourist area of Malaysia, where it's all tourist restaurants. This whole street is kind of tourist restaurants, a lively sort of bar area. And Valeska's just arrived in from... Valeska? Hello?
Hi.
You just arrived in from Thailand?
Yes.
And how is it here tonight?
Very exotic. I love it.
Yeah.
It's nice.
And it's nice and warm.
Yeah, nice and warm.
Yeah, which we love in the evenings. And we picked up 2 dishes. We got a more exciting experience, more Malaysian experience, sitting out here in the street. And there's so many restaurants and so packed with life. And would you believe it, this is at least 9 o'clock at night. If this was Sydney, everything would be shutting down. Woohoo!
Yes,
And we got a Carlsberg! Well done, well done. My favorite beer. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Getting on to 11 p.m. It's Tuesday night, and the whole city's alive.
engkaulah segalanya, engkaulah hanya untuk diriku, aku hanya untukmu. Itulah janjiku padamu. Kita bagaikan ombak dan pantai, tidak akan terpisah lagi. Walaupun pasangnya, walaupun satu mercu, tanda cinta yang setia meredai masa, meniti usia hingga ke akhirnya ku abadi cinta di hati ini. Akan ku abadikan segala memori ku lewati waktu itu. Di dalam pelukanku gugurnya pemisah, di antara kita terbinanya satu mercu, tanda cinta yang setia meredai masa, meniti usia hingga ke akhirnya ku abadi cinta di hati ini, di hati